beautiful excursion and stunning scenery. It was well worth it with an excellent guide like Lena who knows Guadeloupe well and answered all our questions. What a joy to discover the lowlands with Lena, a top-notch guide who chooses her places well. We had a nice day on tour around Gosier, stopping to swim with turtles, play in waterfalls, and in the warm springs, as well as admire the scenery and have lunch. Great day. Thanks, Lena. It was a superb day, filled with swimming and exploring. Lena knows the islands like the back of her hand and answered all our questions. I highly recommend it. When my original group tour in Guadeloupe was cancelled due to a lack of participants, I was initially disappointed. However, thanks to Lena, the incredible guide, it turned into one of the most memorable parts of my trip. With only one day available, I reached out and was able to negotiate a private half-day tour, and Lena was more than willing to make it happen. She crafted a thoughtful and enriching itinerary that included national hot baths, a banana plantation, and a stunning black sand beach. Lena's deep knowledge of Guadeloupe's culture, nature, and history brought each stop to life, and her warm, accommodating nature made the experience feel personal and special. What could have been a missed opportunity became a highlight, all thanks to Lena's flexibility and passion for sharing her island. I highly recommend reaching out to her if you're looking for an authentic and adaptable way to explore Guadeloupe. Lena, our guide, was incredibly kind and, above all, gave us a wonderful day filled with hidden gems of Guadeloupe. I highly recommend her. We had a wonderful day with Lena. The spots were well chosen, the views magnificent, and Lena is an excellent guide. Lunch at the restaurant was really good. And receiving her lovely photos on the way back allowed us to relive the holiday. Thank you. We had a perfect trip with Lena. She was friendly and helpful and took us to less well-known but equally beautiful spots. We saw so much of Gosier, perfect as we didn't have a car. Thank you. Excellent experience with Lena. I recommend it to anyone who wants to discover Guadeloupe. It's great. We had a wonderful day with Lena, who showed us around Gosier with passion while sharing the rich and fascinating history of Guadeloupe. The excursion was perfectly organized. We were able to visit many beautiful places, taking our time to fully enjoy them, without ever feeling rushed. A big thank you for this authentic and enriching experience. A superb day with Lena, who showed us the south of Gosier. She told us about her island with passion. Lena took us from one idyllic spot to another, waterfall in the forest, swimming with turtles, hot springs, etc. In short, a perfect day.